guys, it's Carson with Gtech, and I've got a product demo for you today introducing our C2 version 4 ceramic sealant. So C2 is a 6-month spray-on, wipe-off protectant that's good on largely any surface of the vehicle, whether we're dealing with clear coat, glass, textured black plastics, you name it, it's gonna be good on it. So as far as the application goes, we've got a clean, dry vehicle, whether we're trying to boost an existing solvent-based coating like our Crystal Ceramic Light and or EXO system, or we have an unprotected vehicle. What we can go ahead and do is take 2 microfibers. These are gonna be our MF1s, a standard utility microfiber. I'm gonna set one to the side and another one right here. I'm just gonna do a couple kind of mists, and this is a new sprayer, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it on and prime that pump. 2 to 3 sprays is really all I need. A light saturation goes a long way. And what we'll notice as we're wiping this product on, I'm gonna go in straight line motions. You can do semicircular if you have a clean panel, whatever floats your boat. I'm just gonna go ahead, even coverage. That's the name of the game with this. I'm gonna set that first towel down. Unlikely that we're gonna have any haze because unlike most products, this is a siloxane-based spray, which is a true water-based ceramic rather than a silicone emulsion. We're not gonna have any of that haze come back. Just to double check anything, especially if we're working outside, maybe we still have a little bit of water in our panel because we just washed it, we're just doing a quick boost. I'm just gonna come back with my towel too as my insurance, just check my work super fast. And what we'll notice is we have instant slickness, great water behavior, and it's gonna last you 6 months. And because it's siloxane based, as I previously mentioned, you can layer this. So wait 1 hour, come back, do a second layer, or you can just use it more frequently. Let's say I wash twice a month. Even though 1 layer lasts for 6 months, you can continually layer the product because it's optically clear. And again, another kind of big benefit of this product, glass which usually streaks with these types of sealants, I can go ahead and protect it as such. Even if I have an existing glass coating, it's really not gonna inhibit the performance of that. It'll boost whatever surface kind of protection I have on that substrate.